Somebody had asked me a while back, how do you create wisdom or how do you be knowledgeable in as a person? And I think the best framework that I can give you or the best analogy that I can give you is feel the experience that you have while being amidst someone who is knowledgeable. Feel the amount of importance that they give to the knowledge that they have. Feel the amount of importance they have to their own knowledge. So the moment you start thinking that what you are already knowledgeable of is important, that's when universe is going to give you more things because it knows that you are going to keep that to yourself. It knows that you're going to share that and you're going to do good with that thing. The more you are able to receive the knowledge that life gives, and you do not need to go searching for it, you do not need to find knowledge. In fact, you just need to look at your own knowledge and think that it is important in the first place. So it's just you being so in tune and so in this state of feeling awed by looking at yourself that you're able to be blessed with more knowledge, because now the universe knows that you are going to use this for the greater good, that you're going to not look at it like it's something wasteful and just let go of it or just not put any heed into it, because it ensures that the person that has received the knowledge will use it to the greater good. So that's why most people that are knowledgeable also have the most purest hearts, because they understand how to hold that knowledge. Once you understand how to hold yourself, how to hold your self respect, how to hold the feelings that you have, and how to be more authentically you such that it helps other people as well, that is when more knowledge will come. So how do you hold yourself and how do you look at yourself like you're important? Well, it is a courageous act, let me just say that. It's like the sun looking at itself and seeing that it is shining. It it's it's normal for other people to look at it and see that it's so bright, but it's courageous for the sun itself to look at itself like it's shining and it is doing wonders for this world and it is helping people live. So in the same way, we are also our own suns, and we also think that it's unbelievable or it's absurd for us to like help other people live, but it is true that we are able to put rays of light onto other people's lives, because we are all mirrors of each other. Because I am like this, maybe you're thinking that, oh, I am like this person as well. So it's like a ray of reflection that you're getting, and that is making you pour more light onto yourself and see that maybe you are also important in these aspects. So as you look more into your sun and other people's suns and respect their sons and your sons, you are able to be more in this state of feeling that you're important and you do have value in other people's lives and with just yourself and with being a person in this world that requires this value to be received. So hold your self respect in such a way, because in the end you are that sun, you are that powerful. And once you are able to realize that, things will just magically shift itself for you, because now you are able to hold yourself, the most amazing blessing that you've already got. So you're going to be able to also receive the smaller blessings that come in your life as well.